Hi everyone, my name is Rosie and this is Rosie's Reviews. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Meet Matte Hughes liquid lipstick. I have it in 14 different shades. I bought them over Black Friday. They had a 15% off site-wide, so that's when I decided to try them all. I ordered the ones that I didn't buy. Kohl's has them, so I'm able to test them out and see what I like, what I didn't like. So I was able to just go to Kohl's, test them out, and I bought them at the website itself for 50% off once the Black Friday sale was there. Unfortunately, they still charge me shipping even though the order was over a certain amount of money. Sometimes some websites have 50% off, but not the Balm. They actually, you actually have to pay for shipping. So I still did. It was still a good deal. All right, so let's get started. Next, we have Honest. Next, my favorite is Charming. Charming. Next, we have Committed. Sincere. Chivalrous. Affectionate. Faithful. Trustworthy. Brilliant. Adoring. Devoted. Dedicated. Sentimental. Alright guys, hope you found my review helpful. By far my favorite was Committed, Charming, and Sincere because those are colors that you can wear to work and they're not too loud. I was able to wear them from 7 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. the time I get off, and they didn't come off, so it was a nice brand, the Balm. Don't forget to subscribe if you like my videos.